Hey there, curious minds! Ever wondered what's really going on with your nails, besides making them look fabulous, or scratching that one impossible itch? Let's zoom in and uncover the secret world of nail growth. So, nails aren't just there to paint or chew. They're like tiny shields, protecting the tips of your fingers and toes from injury. And believe it or not, doctors can learn a lot about your health just by checking out your nails. But what are these tough little plates made of? The answer? Keratin. It's the same strong protein that builds your hair and the outer layer of your skin. Now here's the cool science bit. Nails start growing from a hidden spot just beneath your cuticle called the matrix. Think of the matrix as a secret nail factory packed with busy cells. These cells keep dividing, making more and more nail cells and packing them full of keratin. As the new nail cells form, they push the older ones outwards. Once they reach the surface, these cells are dead. Yep, your visible nails are made of dead cells. That's why it doesn't hurt to cut them. Ever noticed that whitish half-moon shape at the base of your nail? That's called the lunula, named after the Latin word for moon. Pretty cool, right? And here's a tip. Always trim your nails and clean your nails. Dirt and germs love to hide under there, and if you don't keep them clean, you could end up with some nasty surprises, especially at mealtime. So next time you look at your nails, remember, they're more than just decoration. They're hard-working protectors, growing thanks to your body's amazing science. If you learned something awesome today, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fun facts. See you next time.